Why machine learning? Machine learning has advanced many industries, from manufacturing to medicine. In fact, the machine learning market size is expected to grow from $1.41 billion in 2017 to $8.81 billion by 2022. Even financial markets are also part of this growth story. Goldman Sachs's New York headquarters had employed 600 traders in 2000. In 2017, there were only 2 equity traders. And the reason: machine learning. What is machine learning? Machine learning is everything on this list. It is considered to be a subfield of artificial intelligence. Involves learning models, which allow the program to make predictions on data. More than just a list of instructions, which clearly defines what the algorithm should do. Closely linked to computational statistics, which uses computers to make predictions. The third option here probably needs some explaining. A key difference between a regular algorithm and a machine learning algo is the learning model, which allows the algorithm to learn from the data and make its own decisions. This allows machines to perform tasks which otherwise are impossible for it to perform. Such tasks can be as simple as recognizing human handwriting, or as complex as self-driving cars. For example, say an algorithm is supposed to correctly distinguish between a male and a female face from a group of ID card photos. A machine learning (ML) algorithm would be trained on a training data to learn how to recognize any face, where a simple algorithm would not be capable of performing this task. A ML algo would not only be able to categorize the photos as trained, but also would continuously learn and add to its learning to become more accurate in its predictions. Recall how often Facebook prompts you to tag the person in the picture. Among billions of users, FBML algos are able to correctly match different pictures of the same person and identify her. There are many key industries where ML is making a huge impact. Financial services, delivery, marketing, sales, and healthcare, to name a few. It is expected that in a couple of decades the mechanical and repetitive tasks will be over. Machine learning and improvements in artificial intelligence techniques have made the impossible possible. We are here to discuss the implementation and the usage of machine learning in trading. Why have traders started to learn and use machine learning? The answer in simple words is to use the advantage of complex mathematical and statistical computations, which are difficult, if possible, to carry on in any other way. For instance, assume that you have an understanding of the market trend. You have a simple trading strategy, using a few technical indicators which help you to predict the market trend and trade accordingly. Another trader, machine learning equipped, will follow the same approach, but armed with ML algos. He will allow the machine to go through hundreds of technical indicators, instead of a few old preferred ones, and let the machine decide which indicator performs best in predicting the correct market trend. While the regular trader might have stuck to, say, RSI or MA, the ML algo will be able to refer to many more technical indicators. This technique is known as feature selection, where machine learning chooses between different features of indicators and chooses the most efficient ones for prediction. These features can be price change, buy or sell signals, volatility signals, and volume weights, to name a few. It is obvious that the trader who has done more quantitative research, backtesting on the historical data, and better optimization, has a greater chance of performing better in live markets. However, the true effectiveness of a strategy depends on what happens in live markets. That's all for today. In the next video, we will learn some terms related to machine learning, such as training and testing dataset, types of machine learning tasks, including supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. If you found this content helpful, do share it with your peers, and subscribe to our channel to receive more such content.